to buy the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's 8:30 in the morning and we're standing in a very big line, and I don't think that I'm going to get the phone anywhere before 2 hours. But I'm really looking forward to it. I'm very excited for it, and soon I'm going to show you how it looks like. I'm really excited and happy because I made a very big purchase today. That is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's worth 1,30,000. And the one thing that I found was disappointing was that I really had to wait for a very long time while I was pre-ordering it, and then now again also I was supposed to come at 8:30 in the morning and I had to stand in long queues, and it was a very tiresome process. And I'm going to do the unboxing, and before I go ahead, I'm going to show you all that how it looks. So this is the box. So this is how the box looks, and if you can just see that the box is not that, I mean, it is quite sleek, I would say, and because there is no power adapter in it, so I think it looks good. But I think personally कि Apple को इसमें ज़रूर डालना चाहिए था अपना adapter. But anyway, let's just go ahead. So let me just open the box. So wow, as you can just see, the stunning blue color. Let me just show it to all of you here. So you can just see the stunning blue color, and so I had a choice between this iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max because they're more or less of the same range, but since I was getting a better camera, a larger display, so I thought of going for this. And the size of the phone, I feel it's a little big. Thoda sa bada to hai, I agree to it, but then I personally prefer bigger phones because all my work more than my laptop, I do it in my phone. So I personally prefer big phones. So I think it's the perfect choice for me. And also we have a cable in it, if you can just see. So they do provide you with the cable, but they do not provide you with the adapter. And there are some stickers, I think. So I just clicked a lot of pictures, and trust me, it has a superb camera and it has the best video recording camera. So I'm really happy with my choice. So I would like to add one more thing, that the color is superb. I mean, I think out of the lot, the choices that we have, blue color is the best color, and it's a different kind of blue. I mean, you do not have that glossy blue. It is kind of a very different color, and I think you feel really premium when you hold it in your hand. So I really love this choice, and I think if you're confused out there, you should definitely go for it. So here we are at the end of the video. Now a lot of you must be thinking that, like, a final verdict from my end, that whether this phone, this iPhone 12 Pro Max is worth it or not. So according to me, since I haven't used it for long, but considering the overall experience till now, I feel that it is totally worth it.